Chapter 13, Areas and Volumes. We'll begin by looking at the area of a trapezium. Pause the video and write down the formula for the area of a trapezium. To find the area of a trapezium, you have to do half multiplied by a plus b multiplied by h. Now what do these mean? I nearly gave it away there. A and b are the parallel sides of the trapezium, and h is the height, the perpendicular height. So if we write this in words, you do a plus b, so you sum or you add the parallel sides. You multiply by h, so you multiply by the perpendicular distance between them, and then you half that. So pause the video and have a go at example 1. Example 1, find the area of this trapezium. So because it is a trapezium, we can write out the formula for the area of a trapezium. We can fill in A and B. A and B represent the parallel sides, so 15 and 20. And H is the distance between them, the perpendicular height, which will be 8. I would do the brackets first, which would be 35. And then we've got half times 35 times 8. Maybe best to do the half times 8 first of all, which will give you 4. And then you can do 4 times 35, and that would give you 140. And the units would be centimetres squared, because it's an area, and the units are in centimetres.